You can now quickly and easily add custom hand-painted artwork to your vehicle. Increase the resale value of your vehicle while replacing those worn out or damaged parts and achieve the amazing look you've always wanted. Custom painted side mirror covers, grills and grill covers, door handle covers, fender flares, pillar covers, fender badges, tailgate trim panels, interior cover panels, and more. Show quality paint and artwork will completely transform your vehicle. Simply click the link below and head to our website, where you can choose your make and model, choose your part, and add your artwork and candy color, bringing the aura of your vehicle to life. Like, comment, and subscribe to get a free custom painted emblem for your make and model for a limited time with any order. CustomAirbrushed.art.com